Because I'll change it up and stuff like that, but you're recording me.
Yep.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to show you something here that the Motorola has that I could not find anywhere. I found it by mistake. It's really a cool thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the camera. Now, once you're on the camera, I'm going to go and we're going to go to the settings down here, and we're going to go to cinematography. There. Now I'm on cinematography. Now, this is what's cool about this. Now I'm going to take the phone. We're going to go over here. Look at all this mess on my desk. It's kind of crazy. We're going to see Angela over here. And Angela's going to shake her head back and forth, aren't you, Angela? Okay, so I'm going to hold this button right here. I'll hold this button and watch it. It's going to count. We went to 35 right there. Now what Motorola does is it puts up this blue screen here, or the green screen of what's going on. But what's neat about this that I didn't realize is you can take the eraser, hit the eraser, and you can erase all that. You can get whatever you want. So we're going to erase all of that. Now then, she's doing nothing. Now I can go back and hit the highlighter button, and I can highlight what I want. So I'm going to highlight her. And here I've just got her highlighted. And you can see that she's moving around there. Now, after I have this, I can set the timing on this by this button down here. I can bring it in a little bit, bring it in a little bit here. Now, what it's doing right now, you see it's doing what's called a regular loop. But I don't want that. I'm going to press this button right here, and I'm going to go to a bounce. Now we're bouncing back and forth. Bounce, bounce. Now we can preview this. We'll go up here and preview it, and there it is. There she is right there doing that, bouncing back and forth. And down here you're going to see that you've got a GIF or an MP4. So now if we save this, which I'm saving it now, now let's take a look. There's our picture. That's our GIF. You didn't have to go out and get any app from the App Store or anything like that. It's on the Motorola phone, which I found it the other day. I tried to go online to YouTube and everything like that. I could not find it. So again, you just want to go to your phone, do your cinematography, whatever you want to look at. I'm going to show you one that I've done here. I'm going to go back, go to my pictures, and here's one I did out on top of the rock. And you can see the guy just moving back and forth. I did that accidentally. I didn't know what I was doing. Then, here's another one that I made. Look at the tree going back and forth. So there's how you can make a GIF on a Motorola phone. Now I'm using a Motorola Ace, but the phone that's recording me right now is a Motorola G Stylus. So it does the same thing too. I looked at it. So probably all the Motorola's do it. So if you've got a Motorola, that's cool. This is what you're looking at. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe to the channel. I'm coming up with a lot of new ideas and a lot of stuff. So like it, hit the like button. It kind of helps it out so people will see this because this is not out there. So give it a like if you like what I just showed you. Try it on your Motorola. If you got a Motorola, give it a shot. It's a lot of fun.